Have you ever wondered how Netflix knows what movies you will like, or how Amazon knows what products you are likely to buy? It's all thanks to machine learning. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows software applications to become more accurate in predicting outcomes without being explicitly programmed to do so. Machine learning algorithms use historical data as input to predict new output values. For example, Netflix could use machine learning to analyze your viewing history and recommend movies that you are likely to enjoy. Or Amazon could use machine learning to track your past purchases and recommend products that you might be interested in. Machine learning is used in a wide variety of applications, but it's especially useful for predicting future outcomes. This is because machine learning algorithms can learn from historical data and identify patterns that would be very difficult to spot manually. So, what does the future of machine learning hold? It's hard to say for sure, but it's clear that machine learning is going to play an increasingly important role in our lives. We can already see the impact of machine learning in areas like healthcare, finance, and transportation. And as machine learning technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the years to come. What are some other applications of machine learning that you are excited about?